We have this book on the Basilica of Bom Jesus. It is a dream come true, and we really like this book, and it is worth really knowing because how did it all come about? So I wanted to write something like this, wanted a book on the Basilica, also a coffee book, but the first attempt did not materialize. And so the Lord somehow provided the second attempt when Pantaleo came in. And he will tell you how it all happened. So, what was in his mind and what sort of was in my mind, both of us gelled together, and then that's how the creation of this book has happened.
Yeah, so exactly on the 15th of February, I came to meet Father for some other reason. And suddenly it struck me that I should ask him, Father, whether we could make a book on the Basilica, because Father has in-depth experience of the Basilica, and I am always on lookout for books. I've done quite a lot of coffee table books, and I'm always on the lookout for doing more books. So I thought a book on the Basilica itself the Basilica deserves a book on itself. So I just asked Father, can we do a book together? And Father said, yes, I've been looking forward to do a book. So I gave an outline. We thought that we should have a team, and so we had a first team meeting. Father had in mind Dr. Visvesh, who is here with us. So we met, and then
so we have the book here, and it has been a very interesting journey. I would like to first of all say a very important thing is that this has been 16 years of Father Patricio at the Basilica. 16 years is not a small time. 16 years is in fact a lifetime when kids grow up to become old people, not old people but adults. But it's a long time. And when he called me and he said, I want to do a book on the Basilica, I said, yes, this has to be done. And he told about this idea about collecting few of people whom he's been called. So there are very important people involved in making of this book. There is Delio Mendonça, who has done a lot of research on the book. Then there is Amita Kanekar, who's written extensively among other things. There is Benedetto Ferrão, Dr. Benedetto Ferrão, who teaches in William and Mary in America. We have other scholars. We have, like Father said, we have
John Marshall.
John Marshall, of course, Father Patricio himself has written about his experience, how he came to become the rector, how he came to the Basilica in the first place, and what are the works that he undertook. That his introduction is also there. And of course, we have Pantaleo's fantastic photographic journey of the Basilica itself.